Alright, we're losing daylight, so just wanted to show you real quick that we've got the actuator arm installed, we've got touch-up paint, we've got the photo eye wire coming up through there, and we've got the actuator cable. I might put another zip tie on that, and then everything in the box is nice and clean. Got the battery fully charged, so we got power. It's all good to go, and everything's nice and clean. It's the Sabbath, so I have got to get my customer taken care of, and I've got the gate working, kind of standing at an angle so we don't show my customer's license plates. As you can see right there, I've got the UL325 sign, and I've also got my photo eye hidden right back there underneath behind those wood pickets. I've got keypad installed. It's a little close to the gate, but because the gate doesn't open this way, I'm okay with it. And I've talked to my customer about this electrical wire needs to get taken care of. As you can see, the gate's opening up and good to go. And I've got my other UL325 sign right back there.